In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove duplicates in LibreOffice. If you're working in LibreOffice Calc and your spreadsheet contains repeated entries, this is a quick and reliable way to create a clean list with duplicates removed. This method is especially useful when you want to keep your original data untouched while generating a separate filtered result. To begin, open your LibreOffice Calc file. Make sure the sheet containing your data is visible and ready to work with. It's a good idea to quickly review your list before starting so you know exactly which column or range you want to clean up. Next, select the data range that contains the duplicate values. Be careful to highlight only the data you want included in the filter. If your list has a header row, keep that in mind as you make your selection, since accuracy here will help the filter return cleaner results. Once your data is selected, go to the top menu bar and click Data. From there, hover over More Filters and then choose Advanced Filter. This will open a pop-up window where you can configure how LibreOffice should process your selected range. When the pop-up appears, check that the correct data range is shown. If needed, highlight the data range again so LibreOffice knows exactly what to use. This is an important step because if the wrong range is selected, your final output may not include all the values you expect. Now expand the Options section by clicking the plus icon next to it. This reveals additional settings for the filter. In that section, check the box labeled No Duplications. This is the key setting that tells LibreOffice to return only unique values from your selected data. After that, also check the box for copy results too. This allows you to place the filtered, duplicate-free results in another part of the sheet instead of replacing your original list. Once that box is checked, choose the cell where you want the filtered results to begin. Pick an empty area with enough space so the new list does not overlap any existing content. When everything looks correct, click OK. LibreOffice will then generate a new list containing only unique entries starting from the cell you selected. And that's it. You've successfully removed duplicates in LibreOffice Calc. This is a simple technique that can save time and help keep your spreadsheets more organized, especially when working with long lists or imported data.